What's up, everybody? Today we have Formula One trading cards. We have the Hobby Box from 2023. It is from Topps Chrome. We're looking for some Chrome autographs. You know, these are some of the people in the front that we're looking for. It's a new set. I mean, it's pretty new. And I'm not sure if it's a guaranteed auto. I know there's also redemption cards for some of the more rare ones, or if it was not in the box, but it was supposed to be and they couldn't put it. So this is the front. Here's the back. Has the authenticity, licensed product, and let's get to opening. So I'm not really sure who we want here. I know there's a bunch of crazy drivers, but here's the thing right here. I'm gonna take them all out of the box so it's more easy for you guys to see on camera. So it's 4 cards in each pack, and we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 packs, 10 packs on each side, and 4 cards in each one. So a total of 80 for the whole box, 80 cards. And we're really just chasing a Chrome autograph here. Let's really, oh, I feel something. All right, guys, let's get it started. We have Carlos Sainz. We have Nick. Ooh, we have a 72 out of 199 total Wolf card from Topps Chrome. And the last one is a George Russell Mercedes AMG. Damn. Already a numbered card. That's pretty sick. We'll be putting that one in a sleeve. Next pack, next pack. Also, I find these easier to open than Pokemon because they have like different ridges at the top. Next card will be Nico and James. Alright, guys, we are back and we have this card and we have a Charles Leclerc Grand Prix winner. Ooh, this might be, I think this might be a rare card if he was the Grand Prix winner. That's pretty sick. On to the third pack, everybody. I'm not sure if that one is rare, but it looks pretty rare. We have Grand Prix winner Max. We have Nico Hulkenberg, Amari from Future Stars card, and we have Lance Stroll. I believe that was the third pack, or yeah, I believe so. Guys, we just need an auto in here. It don't really matter. We have Esteban, Victor, Legends Michael card, and our last one is a George Russell AMG Formula One team card. All right, guys, it's looking good. It's looking good. I feel the autograph gravitating towards us, you know, the feeling. We have Lance Stroll, Juan Emmanuel, and our last card is another George Russell card from AMG. Next card, next pack. I mean, sorry, guys. Who do we have? Who do we have? I don't know what the F1 autos look like, so it's gonna be a surprise to me too. Roman. Whoa, 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 whoa! What do we have here? Wait, I opened 2 at the same time. We have Grand Prix driver of the day from Japan 2022, Sebastian 08 out of 75. What a low numbering. And behind it, we have Nick DeVries, Formula One Freshnet card. Wow, guys, that was a good numbered card. 08 from Japan. That is crazy. Next pack. Future Stars from Frederick. Driver of the day, Miami Max. We have Oscar, and our last one is Pierre Gasly from Alpine F1 team. Alright guys, we had to switch the angle for a better view of the cards, but that is fine. Let's keep going. Okay, we have Victor Martinez. Why is the camera not focusing? Max. Another Max. And we have Michael Amber. Next pack, guys. I don't know. Let me see. Future Stars Roy card. I see something in the back. Max. Oh, what do we have here? Max Grand Prix winner. This is the, well, are these the explosion cards or what they call it? Look at that, guys. That is crazy. He should be on the front of the box if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. The guy in the red in front of the box. That will be him. And then behind it, we have Grand Prix driver today from France, Carlos. This is insane. We need to sleeve this up immediately. Okay. Alright, guys. On to the next pack. On to the next pack. Legends. Kevin. Grand Prix winner, Sergio. And Carlos Sainz. I'm really hoping for this autograph, because you know it's a hobby box, and we're gonna find out what we get. Oh, I just left something in the back. No one look. No one look. All right. We have. What do we have? What do we have? We have Speed Demons Charles Leclerc, the guy on the front of the box. What a sick pull, guys. What a sick pull. On to the other side, we have 10 packs remaining, everybody. These feel thick. Another Max card. What do we have here? Lewis Hamilton. Michael Legends card. I didn't even notice what we're looking at. 098 out of 250 numbered card. And the last one is Lewis Hamilton AMG card. On to the next pack. Fernando, Jihan, Isaac Future Stars, and another Max Verstappen Red Bull card. Let's go, let's go. We need an auto, we need an auto. It's gotta be the good luck charm, guys. Come on, we need an auto right here, right now. We got Christian Horner. His auto card right here. Come on. We need it, we need it. Let's keep going, let's keep going. Come on, I want to see an auto right here. Speed Demons from Esteban. Crazy, crazy pull. Right there. On to the next pack, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep going, let's keep going. Kevin, Esteban, and the last one is Sergio Perez. Alright guys, we have like 4 packs left, I believe. But let's keep going. Theo. Oh, we got an auto right here from Clement Novalak. I'm sorry if I butchered his name, but what a sick auto. I did not even expect that, guys. Hold on, give me a second. Alright guys, we just pulled an auto. That was pretty sick. But he was an F2 driver. You know, we want F1 drivers around here. I want another autograph, to be honest. We have Charles, Lando, and Speed Demons Valtteri Bottas card. Sick. Sick. We have 2 packs left. So let's see. 67 out of 75 Theo Future Stars card. And our last one is Max. Another Max Red Bull card. That is sick right there, guys. On to the last pack. Last pack magic, everybody. Let's see, let's see. Max, George. And we have another Christian Horner card. And our last card is Ayumi Wasa. What a sick opening, guys, to end it off with the checkered flag Christian Horner card. We're done with the opening, but if you guys like this type of content, you know, this is our first time doing Formula 1, any type of racing trading card. If you guys have any suggestions or would like to ask if you want to open something else, if you guys have a different one you guys would like us to open, let us know. I think Topps Chrome was great. We got the auto. I'm pretty sure the auto is not even guaranteed, but it is a hobby box, so I have to double check on that. And thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know. Goodbye.